Did you know that combining to simple kitchen ingredients honey and garlic can give your health a powerful boost? Today, I'll share the surprising benefits of this natural duo, how to use it, and why people have trusted it for centuries. What makes honey plus garlic special? Garlic is famous for its compound allicin, which has strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Honey, on the other hand, is naturally sweet but also packed with antibacterial and antiviral compounds. When combined, they create a natural remedy that supports your body in multiple ways. First up, let's talk about immunity. When garlic and honey come together, they create a natural shield that helps your body fight off colds, coughs, and infections. It's like giving your defenses a daily boost, keeping you stronger and healthier. Next, we move to heart health. Garlic has long been known to help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, while honey is rich in antioxidants that protect your cardiovascular system. Together, they act like a natural tune-up for your heart. Now, if you're looking for energy, honey provides quick, natural fuel, while garlic quietly works to reduce inflammation, something that's linked to many chronic diseases. So in just one spoonful, you're getting both energy and protection. And finally, let's not forget digestion. Honey and garlic both promote good gut bacteria, helping your stomach stay balanced and easing digestive issues. It's a simple combination, but it can make a big difference in how you feel every day. So, how do you actually use this powerful combo of honey and garlic? One of the most popular methods is making fermented garlic honey. All you need to do is peel a few fresh garlic cloves. Drop them into raw honey, seal the jar, and let it sit for a couple of weeks. What you'll get is a sweet, tangy, and incredibly potent health booster. You can enjoy it in so many simple ways. Take a spoonful straight each day, or stir it into warm water for a soothing drink, or drizzle it over your favorite foods. It's natural, it's tasty, and it's an easy addition to your daily routine. So there you have it, honey with garlic. A natural remedy that boosts immunity, supports your heart, gives you energy, and helps your digestion. Try adding it to your routine and see how it works for you. Smiling if you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with someone who could use a little boost. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your experience or the results you've noticed after trying honey with garlic. Your story might inspire someone else to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. And until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of nature.